Hello, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to raise a ticket to support. Perhaps you have a complaint you would like to make to the support team. So here's how to do it. Once you're logged in into your account, just simply go to your menu. Once again, scroll down to the support ticket section right here to my left. Click on support. You have the support tab here, and then you have a drop down of three options: my ticket, bank payment, and open ticket. So if you want to make a complaint, you click on open ticket. So click on this open ticket, it opens another bar for you. Here you have your subject line. What exactly is the subject, like the title you want to give to the complaint you're making? Let's take, for example, maybe you try to fund your wallet. You've sent the payment to providers, but it's not reflecting on your dashboard. That could be due to network issue. But here's what you do: simply type in wallet not funded. That's a nice subject line you can use. Then you give them the more details on what exactly happened. Hello admin, I sent a payment of 10,000 naira from, put the name of the bank you transferred from, GT Bank, with account name, the name of your own bank account, Chris James. Amount sent is okay, that has been included already. I sent a payment of 10,000 naira from GT Bank with account name to providers. Then you put in the provider's account number, your own provider's account number that you made the transfer to. Let's say 99213165227. I'm just picking a random number right here, okay? So give them every information needed. The payment amount 10,000 from GT Bank, the name of the GT Bank, Chris James, to provider's account number, but yet to reflect in my e-wallet. So that's it. What is the category? Is a transaction category. Okay, you made the transaction. Then medium. Do you want to give it a high priority so they can attend to it swiftly? Low or medium? You can choose any. Let's say high priority. So you click on submit. I don't want to click this, so so it won't go to the customer care. I'm just using this as an example. So once you click on submit, it will be sent into their database where they can respond to it. Okay, so that's how to go about sending ticket. Now don't send this ticket again and again. Just send the ticket once and wait for reply. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you don't get a reply on time, usually they reply within 60 minutes, an hour, okay? But if you don't get a reply on time, don't raise another ticket, just wait. This is how you check the response. Go back to your menu here, okay? And then you click on my tickets. All the tickets you've raised will be showing in your ticket. Just click on my ticket here. And then you see all the tickets you've raised, all the complaints you've made. Then you check for the one that you just sent now, that is awaiting reply. Let's take, for example, the one I sent some months ago, PHCN token rejected. The status tells me that admin has replied. Every other one closed, this one still open, okay? This one closed, that means it has been resolved. So if admin has replied your ticket, you see the status here, replied, okay? No need to raise a new ticket, please. Don't raise ticket over and over again. Just go to your my tickets and check the status. So you can now click the subject of the ticket you raised to check the response of the admin. There's a reply here. The admin have a reply. So once they give you a reply, maybe it has been resolved, or what next you have to do. If everything has been resolved, you just click on mark as complete. Okay, just mark as complete to close the ticket. So I'm going to mark this as complete because the ticket has been resolved. You can see the status now is showing closed. Okay, but if the reply says you should do some other things or be patient or whatever, just you can simply go back to the transaction to the ticket again, and you can also reply. If there's any other thing you need to say, instead of raising a new ticket, don't raise a new ticket. You can just continue with this same ticket. Okay, so if you get a reply from the admin, you want to send another reply, just type it in here. Okay, no need to raise a new ticket. Once you type in your own response, then you click on reply. Bottom right corner here, you click on reply. So it has a thread of conversation that is already going on. Once everything is done and resolved, then you can now close the ticket. All right, so that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.